Very good afternoon, ma'am. Since you are the principal of Amity International School, Noida, ma'am, if you'd like to tell us, what is Amity Noida doing to save wildlife?
Um, I'm very, very happy to discuss this with you, and my children are doing a lot to save the wildlife. We have organized a awareness campaign in the last 2 years, and let me tell you, my head boy and his complete team is involved in this.
Something, if you could tell us more about the Paw Print campaign in which you were a major part, as well as the Baag Bachao Andolan that was carried out in the primary wing. Something more about that, ma'am?
We have, done a lot in this field. Regular assemblies, my children have been talking to children about how to save wildlife. We had a number of activities based on this, like poster making, card making. Then there was a Rangoli competition, essay writing, essay competition in the senior wing we had. Then Baag Bachao Andolan, as you are saying, was also a part of the primary wing, where we had done they had given number of pamphlets, and we have done number of activities based on them. Then, although it was a very difficult decision, but we had sent our children for Ranthambore visit also. My children went and they spoke to the poachers, and they had given some aid to the poachers' family, and the awareness program just to tell them that they are not supposed to do this.
We had heard about this, I think Amity, we haven't heard of many schools, but I think Amity is the only school where children have actually, sold newspapers, earned money by selling newspapers, and that 5,000 rupees was donated to poachers, and I think that's really an achievement for your school as well.
And I'm very grateful to my students, because they are thinking in those lines. They love the wildlife. They should have love for the wildlife. Then only they can think of saving this.
Because it all comes down to one thing: जानवर नहीं तो जंगल नहीं, बारिश नदियाँ और फसल नहीं, तो क्या हम रहेंगे? नहीं. Ma'am, what do you personally do to save our natural heritage? That's our wildlife.
Okay. Personally, let me tell you that I love nature and I love wildlife. So I personally, whenever I'm tired, I love to go to the nature. I go visit these places. I had just 2 days break when I went to Nainital to visit Jim Corbett, yes. And that is the place where I get a lot of peace. So to promote this, I always tell my children, whenever you are free, you go and just talk to the nature. I go and talk to my plants. I've got that landed property there, where I have got number of these dogs and cats and rabbits, where I'm feeding them, I'm looking after them, and I feel a lot of peace when I'm with them.
I mean, we had also heard about you actually, having these animal shelters that you'd spoken about long back. Would you like to tell us something about that as well?
Yeah. Since I have plenty of land, so I've given almost 2 acres of land to have a hospital for kettles, because there was no hospital nearby, and people used to take their kettles to almost 10 kilometers from that village. So now I have given land to these people, and they have established their hospital where all these kettles and other animals are getting treatment.
Oh, that's really commendable, ma'am. Ma'am, would you like to give a message to the youth of today about saving wildlife?
Yes, of course, because this is very close to my heart. First of all, stop animal cruelty. Love for the wildlife, love for the animals. For that, you don't have to, make big plans and go out of your way, go to these places and then work. No, you can do at home also. If you find any, even like you said, pigeon lying in your balcony and suffering, you just make sure that pigeon is all right, feed the pigeon. And anything, even I have adopted 2 street dogs these days, because both the dogs had rabies. So I have adopted these 2, and I'm giving treatment to these 2 dogs. So you can do, around whatever you see, especially with the animals around you, and help them. You should have true love for the animals, and that is what my message is.
From the entire side of We Stand for Wildlife team, we ensure that your message is carried out to the youth of today. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your cooperation.
Thank you.